Hello, let's see the next point. Division of fraction. Let's see one familiar example. Here, if your mother made a one bhakri, if each one is to be given a quarter of it, then how many will get a share? Let's see. Quarter means, suppose this is the shape of that bhakri. Okay, this shape is a quarter. Okay, this colored portion means quartered portion. Let's see, quarter means 1/4. As we can see in the picture, we can get a 4 quarter from one bhakri. So it will be enough for 4 people. So we can write this as this quarter 1/4 into how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So multiply by 4, it becomes a 1 bhakri. So 1/4 into 4 is equal to 1. Now we shall convert the division of a fraction into multiplication. Let's see, if 1 bhakri divided into 1/4, then answer is 4. It means is equal to 1 into 4/1. Okay, it means to solve the division method, first write first number as it is, complete this division into multiplication and take multiplicative inverse of the second fraction, then you will get the answer. Let's see the more examples here. The first example is 5/7 divided by 2/3. Let's see, first convert this division into multiplication. Okay, so 5/7 write as it is, convert this division into multiplication and take multiplicative inverse of second fraction, that is 3/2. Now you know the rule of multiplication. The multiplication of numerator to write its numerator and denominator to its denominator. So let's see here, 5 3s are 15 and 7 2s are 14. So answer is 15/14. It means if you convert these into the mixed number, the answer is, let's see here, if 15 divided by 14, 14 ones are 14 and remainder is 1. So write quotient here, write remainder into the numerator and denominator as it is. So your answer is 15/14 or 1 complete 1/14. To divide a number by a fraction is to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. To divide a number by a fraction is to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. Let's see the second example. Example number 2. 6 divided by 3/2. Let's write 6 as it is. Convert this division into multiplication and write the multiplicative inverse of the second fraction, that is 2/3. So the answer is, here is no denominator, it means there is 1. So now 6 into 2, 6 to the 12 and 3 1s are 3. Now here you can reduce this number because 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. So answer is 4. I hope you understand this. Let's see the more example. Number 3. 1 upon 7 divided by 1 upon 3. First write first fraction as it is, that is 1 upon 7. Then convert this division sign into multiplication and write the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 3, that is 3 upon 1. So now multiplication of numerator with numerator, that is 1 into 3 and 7 into 1. So 3 ones are 3 and 7 ones are 7. The answer is 3 upon 7. Let's see the fourth example. Two upon 4 divided by 7. Let's see. First write down first fraction as it is, that is 2 upon 4. Then convert this division into the multiplication and write the multiplicative inverse of second fraction. Here is 7. It means their multiplicative inverse is 1 upon 7. Now write down this multiplication of numerator with numerator, that is 2 into 1, and denominator with denominator, that is 4 into 7. Then 2 ones are 2 and 4 sevens are 28. The answer is 2 upon 28. If you reduce this number, then you can write here 2 ones are 2 and 14 twos are 28. So 2 upon 28 or 1 upon 14, both answers are correct. Let's see the one more example. The example number 5, that is 7 divided by 4. Now write down 7 as it is. Convert this division sign into multiplication and write the multiplicative inverse of 4, that is 1 upon 4. Now here is no denominator, it means there is 1. Now let's see the multiplication of numerator with numerator, that is 7 into 1 upon 1 into 4. 7 ones are 7 and 4 ones are 4. So answer of this number is 7 upon 4. Let's see the next example. The example is 8 divided by 1 upon 3. Let's see, 8 divided by 1 upon 3 is, write 8 as it is. Then after that convert this division into multiplication and write the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 3, that is a 3 upon 1. So write here multiplication of numerator with numerator, and here is no denominator, it means there is 1. So in denominator with denominator, so answer is 8 3 is 24 upon 1 into 1, that is 1. So answer is 24. Now write down these examples.